thirdly, this is something that we're going to start talking about here, where what if we had a product, you've got application extender in place, which is a great product, been around for years, is getting renewed R&D from its new owner in OpenText. And so we've got something here that will replace the invoice router, offers workflows that can go beyond accounts payable, and it can take you on into the future and without having to migrate any of your content. We're using that same AX repository. So now here's the Compass by DTI. This is something that we are super excited about, and it is something new for us. And we started talking to a lot of you about what it is that you have. And a lot of the feedback that we got was, gosh, you know, what I have just works and it's great, and I really have other things I'd rather do than worry about migrating to a whole new content management platform. So we know you have to do something. You like a lot about what it is that you have. It's not an option to go unsupported. So DTI is coming up with Compass. So what is Compass? Well, Compass is a workflow product and tool set that sits on top of Application Extender that replaces the VCM functionality on a more modern platform, removes the risk for many migration, but is going to carry you into the future, allowing you to do more and more of the things that you've always wanted to do with content management. It's going to allow you to address the current problems that we talked about earlier that you guys are talking about. So you've got the ability to go mobile. You've got the ability to add workflow into other areas. You've got the ability to tie into other information systems such as project management and ERP systems. Along with Compass, we are including a dashboard utility that is going to not only connect to all of the data that's housed within Application Extender, but also allow you to tap into other products like your ERP, accounting packages, and project management. So there's a lot that's going to be coming out about this product and what its features and functionality are going to be. And DTI as a company, this is a core focus for where we're going. We've enjoyed the last 2 years in working in this industry, and we've enjoyed the success of providing support to a lot of you. That's allowing us to spend time and R&D into continuing to develop solutions for construction. We're hearing a lot of requests for electronic forms, and we're hearing requests for integrations between systems, and we've been able to deliver on this. So as we're coming into this, to the fall of this year, we're going to be sharing a lot more information about Compass and what it is. But we are super excited about the opportunities ahead and what this provides you and allowing you to stay in a comfort zone that fits for most of you while we evaluate the future needs.